Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Spacedesk as second monitor with USB. First, prepare both devices. Primary PC. Download and install the Spacedesk driver from the official website. Secondary device. Install the Spacedesk app from the Google Play Store. Next, establish USB connection. Connect your Android device to the PC using a USB cable on the Android device. Ensure it is set to file transfer mode or USB tethering in some cases. If prompted to allow USB debugging, tap OK. Next, configure Spacedesk for USB. On your PC, to open the Spacedesk driver console, system tray icon, go to Communications Interface and uncheck Local Area Network if you only want USB and check USB cable Android. Some key tips for USB mode. Automatic detection. Once configured, the app should automatically detect your PC. Troubleshooting. If it doesn't connect, unplug, replug the cable, restart the app, or ensure no other USB file transfer apps are conflicting. Display settings. Right-click your PC desktop, go to Display Settings, and set the device to extend or duplicate as needed. Performance. A USB connection generally offers lower latency and better stability than Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.